A lot of us try to stay on trend when it comes to home decor and fashion, and even the latest workout routines. But good nutrition is as trendy as ever right now. So we're getting all the information about the latest in healthy eating. Registered dietitian nutritionist Dawn Jackson Blattner is always in with the latest in healthy eats, and she's joining us today to give us the lowdown on what health trends will benefit our bodies the most. And Dawn, I think first things first, it's always trendy to be mindful of what we eat.
It's true. One of the most important things you can do for your health is what you put into your body. You can look your best, you can feel your best when you are choosing those healthful foods.
All right, so you have 4 trends for us today, and the first trend has to do with our immune system.
All right, so everybody's talking about immunity, and rightfully so. You know, a global pandemic will wake you up to the importance of having a strong immune system. And one of the best ways to have a strong immune system is to have a healthy gut. About 70% of our immune system is in our gut. So if you want to boost your immune system, keep that gut healthy by eating probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria. Prebiotics are those things that feed the probiotic. So here's some examples. Kefir, which is drinkable yogurt, and berries. Kefir is the probiotic, berries are the prebiotic, and then I love sauerkraut. It's fermented cabbage, and that's a probiotic. You pair that with avocado toast, which is your prebiotic.
I love it. And the next trend number 2, is related to how we drink our coffee.
Coffee is really a staple in many of our diets. And instead of just drinking it plain, let's give it a health boost. So it could be mushroom powder. This is to help with stress. You could put collagen in your coffee for joints, hair, skin, and nail health. You could put protein powder in your coffee. It's called Proffee, and that gives you that boost of protein for your cell strength. But one of the easiest ways to try this trend is by just looking in your spice drawer. And you could take out turmeric, which is for anti-inflammatory. Put that right in your coffee with a little black pepper. You could do cinnamon in your coffee, which is good for blood sugar control.
The next trend is kind of a buzzword these days. A lot of us have heard of it, and that is plant-based meals.
This is interesting because it does not mean you have to go vegetarian. It just means to cut back on the amount of meat you're eating and increase those colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. When you eat more plants, it gives you more vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, antioxidants to make sure that your cells stay strong and healthy. So let's try this trend. And here's how you would do it. A blended burger. This is the best of both worlds. It's part meat and part mushroom.
And trend number 4, an interesting one, and that is that people are changing their approach to dieting.
Trend number 4 is called the anti-diet. So gone are the days of calorie counting or going on a crash diet. When you're about to eat a meal, instead of just right away going in and eating it, you just take a picture. It gives you a minute to sort of think about what you're eating. You look at the picture and make sure that you're on course to be eating these balanced and beautiful, colorful meals that are actually good for you. Instead of being bogged down by actually dieting, this helps you stay mindful.
Thanks, Dawn. Great information. For more healthy eating advice and inspiration, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. So if you like this video and you want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.